Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. Yeah, the HBAR chart is also moving up from the last swing low, which formed here. It was late yesterday, I think. Yeah, on Tuesday actually. On Tuesday, the swing low, at least it is a swing low of sorts. Whether it is already the beginning of the third wave, we will only know afterwards. But all I can say is we are in a support area where we are watching for an upside trend reversal. The structure is still very fragile, but this is exactly where the bulls should turn up. So we're always identifying, with the help of Fibonacci mathematics and the Elliott wave structures, we are identifying exactly those areas where probabilities are favorable for an upside turnaround. Okay, it's never guaranteed, but the probabilities are kind of favorable in these areas. And also the reward and risk ratio, the reward to risk ratio is typically favorable in these sectors, in these areas where, yeah, the price approaches key pivots, where basically we're very close to invalidation points. So the idea is that after the price had this flash crash, experienced a crash as well, like many other coins, that was here on the 3rd of February. And after this happened, the price showed a strong reaction. The buyers stepped in this area here around 20 cents, 19 to 20 cents. The buyers stepped in and sent the price higher again, all the way up to the 28-cent level. And since then, the price has only been in decline until Tuesday. And now we have a bit of a reaction. I have to say, for a first 5-wave move up, I'd actually like to see one more high. This is a, let's say, constructive-looking rally, but I already mentioned in my update yesterday that the next objective for the bulls will be a break above that 22.4 cent level, which is the previous swing high that formed on Monday. And it is the 50% Fibonacci retracement. As you can see, this level has some meaning. Only on the micro level, it's not really a significant resistance level, but it is just a previous swing high that is also a Fibonacci level, and the price has so far not been able to break above it. What does that mean? That means I don't technically have any evidence that a low is in, other than a small reaction. The price is now consolidating just below that level. I think it's sort of looking good, but obviously it's too early to say. So the reaction is basically too weak to be meaningful, and I want to tell you what the next levels are that need to be broken to the upside. First of all, we can consider this decline, which started from a wave 1 high. This is a bullish thesis, obviously. That's why we have these support areas on the chart. But the decline is a 3-wave move. So we have an initial so-called A wave, which looked like a 5-wave move. Then the B wave is probably a triangle, which is possible in B waves. And then the C wave down, might have completed here just above the 100% extension. So the 100% extension is normally an ideal target for a C wave. But then again, we have to take the context into account. And in a 1-2 setup, normally the price should not break below the 78.6 retracement. So I decided to have them both there, because even below the 78.6 retracement here at 19.5 cents, we don't have invalidation. So technically a wave 2 can go below that level, just shouldn't, or at least not on a sustained basis. But if it, had it done that, there would have been the 18.4 cent level, this 100% extension level. But for now, we're turning around, trying to. And the next upside resistances are 23.8 cents. Not too significant, but it's the previous swing high. It's the B wave, the end of the triangle, the B wave. So yeah, we're tracking that. And then any move above this level at 23.99 cents, any move above should send us to 24.8 cents. Just a swing high before, couple of swing highs here in that area, actually 3. And the really important level that needs to be broken is the high of the wave 1. Here we talk about 28.2 cents. It's a really, really meaningful level. So and until we get really above that level, there isn't really anything that is super relevant, because even if we break above these smaller swing highs, what is really important is that we break above that key level there, the high of the wave 1. From an Elliott wave point of view, that typically indicates the onset of a third wave, which, if it really unfolds, should send us at least to 37 cents. So at the moment, we can just wait for the market to really give us some further evidence. I think it's looking good. Important is to watch for the low of this week. As long as it's holding, we could consider that the low is in. We just need a bit more evidence. But yeah, overall, the white scenario is currently the preferred interpretation. It's just that it doesn't come with a lot of confidence yet. That's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our Morecryptoonline channel page. Here you can find a video that explains our memberships. As a member, you get access to our Sunday live streams as well as member-only updates, including some learning videos as well, where we label charts live. As a gold member, in addition to that, you can also connect to our Discord server for many additional updates. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.